Hello everyone, this is Teacher Janelle and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn English with Teacher Janelle. Hi grade 6 pupils, how are you? I hope you are all doing great. So this video is for my grade 6 pupils and I am going to explain here learning test 8 and 9 of their module. But before that, let's have a review of the previous topic. We have here real image and make-believe image, or fact and non-fact image. Let's discuss the meaning and the difference between real image and make-believe image. Let's have first real image or real images. Real images are pictures which depict visuals of objects or happenings that exist in real life. These are also known as fact images. Okay, let's now have examples of real images. First one, we have here a white horse. And we are all aware that a white horse really exists in real life. So this one is an example of a real image. Then we have here another example. As you can see, we have here a picture of a crying baby. Obviously, this one is a real image. Then let's proceed to the next one. This one is a picture of a real pencil. Then let's have the last example, which is a family picture. So as you can see, this one is a real image. We are done with a real image. Let's now proceed to make-believe images. Make-believe images are pictures which illustrate something that is not real. Though these images may have some realistic features, they are just product of imagination, thus do not exist in real life. These are also known as non-fact images. Here are some of the examples of make-believe images. First one, we have the picture of The Incredibles. So this one is a cartoon or animated film. This film shows some realistic features, but still we cannot say that this one is a real images because it does not exist in real life. And also the characters in this movie have superpowers which we people in real life do not have. So this picture is an example of a make-believe image. Let's have the next example. Okay, we have here a crying baby. Are you familiar with this picture? I think yes, you are. So this one is a picture of an animated film or animated movie, Boss Baby. If you are familiar with this movie, you can tell that this one is not a real image or this one is not a real one because a baby cannot do such thing like what the character or Boss Baby doing in the movie or in the film, right? So this one is also a make-believe image. So I think we can proceed now to the next one. We have here, look at the picture, a horse with wings. How come that a horse has wings? So we call this one or we call this picture as a, yes, unicorn. Unicorn, do you think unicorn exists in real life? No, we do not have a horse with a wing, so this one is just a make-believe image. Meaning this picture does not exist in real life. Let's proceed to the next one. Look at this. So we have here a pencil with hands, arms, eyes, mouth, eyebrows. Okay. Can I ask you a question? Do you have that pencil in real life? Huh? With hands or eyes? So no, this one is also a make-believe image. Okay. So now that you can distinguish real image from make-believe image, fact from non-fact image, it is a time for you to create your own. So this time, we are going to proceed, or I'm going to explain Learning Task 8 and Learning Task 9. We will be using a rubric for this activity, so I want you to be familiar with the rubric that I'm going to show you. Then, this rubric will be used in rating your self-made illustrations. Let's have first the directions for Learning Task 8. So, for Learning Task 8, you need to read and reflect on the message of the poem below. Then you're going to create your own image, one real and one make-believe images, related to the poem that you read. Here is the rubric that we are going to use in grading your activity. While doing the activity or making your own real image and make-believe image, you need to remember this criteria or the features in the rubric for illustrated images. Okay, let's proceed. Now, we have here some unfamiliar words that you will encounter in reading the poem. So, to help you in understanding and appreciating the poem, here is a list to unlock difficulties. Just read and understand the list so that when you encounter those words in the poem, you can tell or you can say that, okay, I understand it, because there is the meaning, or the meaning of the unfamiliar words are given. Okay, so here is the poem for Learning Task 8. It is entitled Plant a Better Tomorrow by Maricon Estrellado. So I would just want you to read this, analyze and understand. After understanding and analyzing and reading this poem, I want you to identify the real image and make-believe image, or based on your own understanding, what real image or what make-believe image that we can connect to the meaning of the poem. So for Learning Task 9 also, we have here, or we have the same directions, we have the same activity. So we have the rubric for illustrated images. We also have the list to unlock difficulties. Then we have here the poem. Just read, analyze, understand. Then after analyzing, understanding and reading, try to make your own real image and make-believe image based from the meaning of the poem. Okay, I think that's all. I hope this video helped you a lot or a bit. Thank you very much, and God bless us all. Bye.